So now we are beginning with our third chapter. Third chapter name is triangles. Regarding the triangles, you had already learned since your basic standard, since your fifth standard, what are the triangles? What do you mean by the triangles? The three sides, okay, the three vertices, the three angles, the what you will say that there are different types of triangles: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle. Okay, there are acute angle triangle, obtuse angle triangle, right angle triangle. There are so many things that we can say regarding the triangles. In this chapter we are going to learn regarding the detailed study of the triangles and its properties, as well as we are going to understand the different theorems. Okay, step by step we are going to learn it. This chapter is very very important. First theorem which we are going to study is, it is a real geometry which you will understand through this chapter, and it is going to help you. The properties which we are going to learn over here, it is going to surely and surely help you in your 10th standard geometry. Okay, first theorem is theorem of remote interior angles of a triangle. Remote interior angles, what do you mean by the remote interior angle? First of all, tell me that. See, let me consider, suppose I am having a triangle. Okay, suppose you are having a triangle. Basically you know that a triangle is having the three angles. Okay, three angles a triangle is consisting of. If you are considering this angle, it will become the exterior angle of the triangle. Okay, this is the exterior and these are the, this is the adjacent. If you will consider this angle is called as the adjacent of the exterior angle. Adjacent मतलब बाजू वाली angle उसकी. This is the exterior, this is the adjacent angle, and these two remaining angles will be the remote interior angles. Getting? These two angles will be the remote interior angles. This will be the exterior angle of the triangle and this will be the adjacent. This angle I am talking about. ये angle उसकी adjacent हो जाएगी. ये तीनों बातें आपको दिमाग में put up करनी है. I repeat, this is the exterior angle of the triangle, this is the adjacent angle, and these two will form the remote interior angles of the triangle. Now what is the theorem which you have to understand over here? The measure of the exterior angle of the triangle, जो exterior angle होती है वो equal होती है. Just equal to what? It is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. See, I had explained you the remote interior angles over here. रिमोट इंटीरियर एंगल्स कौन सी होती है मैंने आपको बताया. ये थ्योरम क्या बोलता है, जो एक्सटीरियर एंगल होती है वो इक्वल होती है इन दोनों रिमोट इंटीरियर एंगल्स के सम के बराबर होती है. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द एक्सटीरियर एंगल, एक्सटीरियर एंगल कैसे आएगा? एक्सटीरियर एंगल का मेजर जो होता है ना, वो इन दोनों एंगल्स, रिमोट इंटीरियर एंगल्स के सम के बराबर होती है. मीन सपोज इट इज 30 and it is 35, say. So 30 plus 35 will give you 65. So that will form the measure of the exterior angle. This is the simple basic theorem that you have to understand. How you have to write it over here, let me tell to you. आप पहले पहले क्या करेंगे, वो theorem का डिटेल लिखेंगे. गिवन और टू प्रूव आपको क्या करना है, उसके बाद आप theorem जो है यहाँ से सॉल्व करके अपने नोटबुक में लिखेंगे. ओके, दिस theorem you have to remember. एग्जाम में theorems भी आते हैं.